Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and click the button. I have squeezed 3 lemons from here and then pour it into the jar, and then 2 with a whole lemon. I sliced them with very thin and put them here. And then after that, you have to put either you can pour water from the tap water, or you can buy water from the shop, but which I prepare my water from the kettle that I've been boiled. But make sure guys that it's not really hot when you pour it into the jar, and let it cool, or either you can put in the fridge after that. But I like my drinks a bit warm when I drink them, so I don't really put them in a fridge. And then either you put them in a fridge, so we'll keep it fresh, and then you can drink them for 10 days. But you just fill it up about 7 days to 10 days till they're tasteless, guys. And then you can do it again after that. So this is I drink every day. I don't drink orange juice, no Coca-Cola at all, just this, guys. So, and then you see how your stomach will be really flat after 10 days and no more fatty tummy. Thank you for watching, guys.